Traffic is money. That is the secret that every affiliate marketer should know. When you have a large number of followers who trust you, it's certain that you'll easily convert them into customers. And here's the amount of money that Dracula earned through Instagram and through the strategies he learned from the Ancestral Affiliate Marketing book. In the video today, I'll demonstrate how to achieve comparable outcomes without having to generate your own material. I'll guide you through the proper method of repurposing content to enhance the growth of your page. I'll illustrate how you can seamlessly transition from discovering existing content to effortlessly crafting your own with just a few clicks. It takes only about 30 minutes of effort to achieve this. Keep watching until the end because I'll unveil a trick to maximize your earnings even further. Make sure to grab a pen and start taking notes because I assure you won't come across a video like this on YouTube. Let's dive straight into it. What we're aiming to do is establish an Instagram page similar to this one and then leverage it for affiliate product monetization. I understand you might be thinking, this account already boasts 3.6 million followers. How could I possibly attain such a vast following? It seems impossible. Don't fret, you don't need 3.6 million followers for this. Given that we're creating Instagram Reels, the follower count becomes less crucial. Instagram Reels are a recent addition to the Instagram algorithm. Instagram is actively promoting Reels to its users, and interestingly, your follower count doesn't matter much in the Reels realm. For Instagram Reels, engagement is the key metric. Simple Reels can gain significant traction, as evidenced by their own Reels strategy. Consider their Reels, just a quote against a plain backdrop with straightforward background music. But here's the exciting part. I'll guide you on how to discover numerous quotes like these and create Reels that surpass even these examples. Now let's closely examine the strategy employed by this particular Instagram page. They're generating uncomplicated content that resonates with people, and their revenue stream comes from promotions and affiliate marketing. Remarkably, none of these pages are posting original content. Instead, they source quotes from various origins. It's evident that this approach won't lead to any issues like Instagram bans or similar concerns. Now let's delve into the process of discovering content. You can find quotes of this nature by exploring TikTok and Pinterest. Simply enter keywords such as love quotes or relationship quotes in the search bar, and a plethora of content will become available. You have the option to either download these videos without watermarks from platforms like Snaptic and directly upload them to Instagram, or you can opt for the option of recreating them. Personally, I recommend the latter as it contributes to establishing a cohesive and appealing theme on your page. In Pinterest, you can also explore the abundance of love quotes and effortlessly gather a plethora of quotes to craft your own Reels with just a few clicks, utilizing platforms like Canva.com. Remember, we're dealing with Reels, not regular posts. As a beginner, I suggest uploading around 2 to 4 Reels per day. It's not overly time-consuming. Creating 4 Reels should only take about 15 minutes. With that done, proceed to create an Instagram account and start posting. To monetize, fashion an engaging bio and insert your affiliate link. Begin by visiting an affiliate network like ClickBank and select a product aligning with your audience's interests. For our love and relationship page, navigate to the self-help section, then delve into marriage and relationships, opting for a product with a high gravity score. Take this product as an example. Your next steps involve creating a hop link and generating a shortened link using Bitly. If you plan to promote multiple products, platforms like Linktree allow you to showcase them efficiently with a single link, ideal for Instagram promotions. It's a fantastic tool that I highly recommend for your Instagram endeavors. If you can't find a suitable product on ClickBank, no worries at all. I've compiled a list of the 100 most profitable affiliate programs, allowing you to easily connect with some of the most reputable affiliate programs available right now. You can download this list completely free from the link provided in the description. Now that we have our affiliate link ready, let's integrate it into our bio with a compelling message like, discover how to make your relationship 10 times more exciting, or something similar. Once that's set up, when people visit the page, they'll notice the link and be inclined to check it out. Now, here's the trick to boost your earnings further. Create a straightforward landing page using GetResponse to capture their email addresses and send out emails about the promoted product. This strategy is known as email marketing, and many successful affiliate marketers leverage it to significantly increase their income. Consider the potential. You can sell different products to the same person, and this process can be entirely automated. For a detailed guide on implementing email marketing with GetResponse, check out the article on the website via the link provided in the description. Here's the tip. Post the same videos on both TikTok and YouTube. Don't forget to add the links to each platform's bio. This way, your earnings could double up. Monetizing your Instagram theme page through affiliate marketing requires strategic planning, consistent effort, and a patient mindset. By selecting the right programs, promoting them authentically, and engaging your audience, you can gradually transform your passion into a rewarding source of income. Set aside about an hour each week to gather and organize your content for the upcoming week. As you post, consider creating around 4 posts daily on Instagram. While you can exceed this number, it's recommended not to go beyond 7 posts per day. To publish content effortlessly, use a social media scheduler like Lair, Hootsuite, or MetaSuite. These tools are affordable, and some offer free options. They assist you in planning and presenting your content in an attractive way. Schedule your content for the week, making posting a smooth process. With just a single click, you can accomplish numerous tasks. Thank you for your time. I'm eager to hear your thoughts on this idea, so please feel free to share your opinion in the comment section below. Remember to get your free ebook about affiliate marketing via website draculamoneylair.com.